Welcome to our video demonstration of Nissan's lane departure warning system. The vehicle that we're using is a Nissan Qashqai, although the system is available in a few of the other cars in the Nissan range. I'm going to jump in first of all, explain to you exactly how it works, then we'll get the car out on the road and I'll show you it working firsthand. Okay, so on the dials for the car, which you can see here, the lane departure warning system symbol is the third one along there, where it shows a picture of a car driving within a lane. When we drive along in a moment, if you indicate to change lanes or you indicate to move across the road, nothing will happen because you're indicating. You're essentially telling the car that you want to make that manoeuvre. If you let the car drift across any white line, it will beep, and that warning light, or that light that you can see, or the symbol you can see, will flash amber to let you know that you're drifting out of lane. Okay, so now that we're out on the road, we'll take our speed up to the speed limit of 40 miles an hour. And all we have to do is, if we drift slightly out of lane, you can hear the car will beep at us to warn that we've done that, and it will bring up the warning symbol on the dashboard that I mentioned a moment ago. So I'll demonstrate just one more time. If I drift into the middle there, it will warn us that we've done so. So not only do you get the visual warning, but you get the audio warning as well, which is obviously useful if you are drifting to sleep at the wheel, and that is why the car is drifted out of lane. It's nice to have something that will alert you to the fact rather than just bringing up a symbol on the dashboard.